It's wonderful to be back to share with you some of the closing observations and remarks. What an incredible day that all of us had, thanks to technology that is still making us come together, exchange ideas, inspire each other through the success stories, and also look at how can we take this movement forward in a collective fashion. I know we are at least 1 hour 20 minutes beyond the scheduled time. I would not take too much of time, but would like to highlight few aspects that were key takeaways for me through the day in terms of the enthralling discussions and the points that came about from varied distinguished speakers. The Honorable Minister reiterating that all these efforts need to finally focus on reaping the benefits for farmers. Sir, we wouldn't agree more with you that farmer being the central point for everything that we do is an important dimension, and we will not take our eye off this purpose for which we do all these efforts, and also making sure that these seminars and summits don't become the talk, but also pave way for walking the talk. So we will surely make all the efforts to bring down these learnings. And as Madam Darbari in her valedictory address also mentioned that a report could be generated out of these deliberations. Of course, ma'am, we will do that. Then Dr. Chintala paving way to how important agriculture is, and the 20% contribution to GDP this year has been a phenomenal contribution, and also reiterating the fact that institutions cannot be just lenders, but they need to be financial service providers, integrating all other financial services that are required for smallholder farmers through collaborations with other institutions. He mentioned about KCC, insurance, and other co-financial services being made available through partnerships. Absolutely, sir, we completely agree with you. And Samunati's endeavor of AMLA approach, which is aggregation, market linkage, and advisory services, encompasses all of these dimensions. And finance is an enabler. It is a means and not an end. It should make things happen for the smallholder farmers in particular. Dr. Dalwai reiterating the fact that aggregation as an FPO is one of the important points in which we can aggregate the land holdings. We cannot do anything but have the fragmented land holding in this country. How can we bring together FPO as a vehicle in an aggregated fashion? And the need for the FPOs to extend their engagement beyond their members with the downstream and upstream players also is an important aspect. And the new enabling legislations will pave way certainly for the FPOs playing a larger role. And Dr. Aruna Rachakonda sharing some of the dimensions of the women entrepreneurs and the inspiring role that they are playing. All these sessions, prior to the panel discussions, have been so rich in terms of content as well as directional things. So thank you very much for all these directions. A sincere gratitude to all the panelists for giving their time and directions for us. And Madam Darbari, we continue to be inspired by your leadership at SFAC, and we coming together for all the services that go beyond credit, bringing in insurance, as you rightly mentioned, market linkages, as you rightly mentioned, and more importantly, more Samunatis to be in this space, as you rightly mentioned, ma'am. We will strive our best in making all these things happen. So we look forward for the third edition. This is not vote of thanks, but I would say that each of these editions is a milestone in the journey of making markets work for smallholder farmers. And we are grateful for all the ecosystem players looking at collaborating with this single vision of Indian farmer at the forefront and giving back a meaningful proposition for agriculture to this wonderful motherland, our Bharat Mata. Thank you very much.